Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to create an Etsy seller account step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, open your browser and go to the Etsy website. Then click on Sign In and create a new account using your email, Google, or Apple ID. Once your account is created, click on Sell on Etsy and then choose Open your Etsy shop. Now you'll start the setup process. First, select your shop language, country, and currency based on where you are located. Next, choose your shop name. Make sure it is unique, easy to remember, and related to your products, because this will represent your brand. After that, you need to create your first listing. Add clear photos of your product, write a detailed title, description, and choose the right category and tags so buyers can find your items easily. Now, set your pricing, quantity, and shipping details. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid issues later. Then, enter your payment details, including your bank account information, so Etsy can send you your earnings. You'll also need to set up billing for Etsy fees. Finally, review all your information and click Open Your Shop. Once done, your Etsy seller account will be live, and you can start adding more products and making sales. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.